Hi everyone, welcome to my Max Academy. In this session, we'll continue with pair of linear equations in two variables chapter for 10th standard CBSE mathematics. So we will continue or we'll start with the next method for solving the pair of linear equations in two variables, which is called as elimination method. So elimination method. Elimination method. So this is one more algebraic method for solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. So in the other videos we saw, the previous video we saw substitution method. Now we will see elimination method. Now let's go to example 11. So while doing the example 11, I will also explain about the elimination method. So we are in page number we are in page number 54. Page number 54. I will probably write that first. So it is page number 54 and we will talk about elimination method. Okay, so we will do example 11 in that. So example 11 in page number 54. Example 11. Example 11. So what is example 11 in page number 54? It says the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure means expense, something that they spend, is 4:3. Find the if each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly incomes. Find their monthly income. So it says the income of, so first what we need to do is, in this problem we will form the equation based on the statement that is given in this example 11. Once we form the equation, we will solve that pair of linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So let's read the question again to form the equation. So it says the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. So whenever you see ratio as 9:7 or 3:5, whatever, anywhere you see the ratio, here it is 9:7. You should take the incomes of two people as 9x and 7x. 9x and 7x. So we'll say let the income of person A and let the income of person A is equal to, don't say x, it is 9x, because the ratio is 9:7, which means one person income is 9x, the other person is not 7y, it is also 7x. 9x and 7x. So let the income of person B is equal to 7x. This is their income. We need to find their income, which means we need to find 9x and 7x value. That we can find only if we find x. If you know x, we can find what is the income of person A, what is the income of person B. Now, what they have said, they talked about the expenditure. They talked about the expenditure of the two persons. So we'll say let the expenditure of person A equal to, what is the ratio of their expenditure? The ratio of their expenditure is 4:3, which means the first person the expenditure is 4y, and let the expenditure of person B equal to 3y, because the ratio is 4:3. Now what is the other statement that is given? Both of them, they managed to save rupees 2000 per month. So their saving is rupees 2000 per month, right? Their saving is rupees 2,000 per month. So how do we find the saving? Saving is actually what? Income minus expenditure equal to savings, correct? How much ever I earn, then how much ever I spend, the remaining is my saving. Suppose if I earn 10,000 rupees and if I spend 7,000 rupees, my saving is 3,000 rupees. So your saving is income minus expenditure. Now what is the, so both of them have saved 2,000 rupees per month, which means both person A is also saving 2,000, person B is also saving 2,000. So what is the income of person A? 9x. How much he spends? 4y. Expenditure is 4y. So 9x minus 4y gives me how much he is saving? 2,000. So this is first equation. Now second person, what is the income? 7x. How much the second person is spending, which means his expenditure is 3y. So income minus expenditure is savings. He is also saving 2,000 rupees. This is equation 2. Now we should solve them using elimination method. We will solve them using elimination method. So now I will write both the equation here, right? So 9x minus, or it will above, I'll write. So 9x minus 4y. Continuation of this is, I'm writing it here, or we'll write it there. Okay, it's okay. We'll continue here. So, so now we need to solve by elimination method. So for the elimination method, the rule is that we have to check whether the coefficient of x in both the equation is same. The sign can be different. The sign can plus or minus, that is fine. But whether the coefficients are same. So here it is 9, here it is 7. They are not same. If it is 9 here, then it is 9 here, then it becomes easy. Or it can be 9 here and minus 9 is also okay. 9 and minus 9 or both 9. 9, 9 or 9 minus 9. That is okay. As long as they have both the coefficient of x in both the equation is same, except that there is a change in sign. Different sign is okay. Plus sign one place and minus sign another place, that is okay. But at least are they same? No. Then we should check whether y is same. Is the coefficient of y is same? No. It is 4 here, it is 3 here. Then the first step is we need to make the coefficient of either x as same in both the equation, or we have to make the coefficient of y is same in both the equations. Now how can we make the coefficient of x same or y same? Anything we can make. Here we will go for y because y has small numbers, 4y, 3y compared to 9 and 7. So what we will do is, to make this 4y and 3y, we should make them have the same coefficient. The sign can be different, right? One can have minus 4, then other can have plus 4, that is okay. Or both can have plus 4, or both can have minus 4, that is okay. But it should have the same coefficient with the change in sign. Sign can change. So for that, what we will do is, now I will multiply this with 3. I will multiply this with this 3, and I will multiply this equation with 4. What I'm going to do? I'm going to multiply this entire equation with this 3, and I'm going to multiply this entire equation with 4. Then what happens? Suppose if I multiply, so multiply first equation by what? By this 3, the coefficient of y, which is 3. Don't worry about the sign, just 3. Multiply 1 by 3 and second equation by what? Second equation by the coefficient of y in the first equation, by 4. Now if we do that, then what will happen? Now if we multiply the first equation by 3, then if we multiply throughout by 3, then what will happen? So 9x will become 9x into 3, 27x, minus 4 times 3 is 12y, equal to 3 times 2000 is 6000. Now we need to multiply. So we have multiplied the first equation by 3 throughout. This into 3, 27. This into 3, 12. This into 3, 6000. Now multiply this with 4. So we get 28x minus 4 times 3 is 12y, equal to 4 times 2 is 8000. Now what we have done by doing this, now you see that both of them now having the same coefficient, 12, 12. It can have minus 12, this can become plus 12. That is also okay. Here both have become minus 12, that is also okay. Fine. Now both the signs are, both the coefficients are same. Now what we should do is, we should see the sign of both of them. Now both are 12. Now we should see the sign of them. If the sign of them is same, if it is different, we need to add them. We need to add both the equations. But here it is, if it is different, if it is plus and minus, we should add them. But if here both are minus, or if both are plus, if both have the same sign, then we should subtract these two. Now when you subtract this and this, so which means what we will do, we'll change the sign, right, for subtraction. So we will put here minus because it is plus. We are going to subtract. Why we are going to subtract both? Because the sign is same. If the sign is same, we will subtract. If the sign is different, we will add. When we are adding, we don't have to change the sign. Only when we are subtracting, we will change the sign. So we are subtracting here because both are same. Both these two are same. And both are same, we have to subtract. So the sign will change. So this is plus. Nothing is done, plus will become minus. This minus will become plus. Here it is plus, that will become minus. This is plus 8,000. You have to change the sign for the second equation. When you are subtracting two equations, you have to change the sign for the second equation. Now this is what, 27x minus 28x is minus x. Correct? Now this is minus 12y, this is plus 12y. After the sign is changed, you will see the change sign. This is minus 12, this is plus 12. Don't see this sign. Right? So this is minus 12, this is plus 12. So they will get cancelled. So which means we are eliminating that variable y. So nothing will come. Both have cancelled. So that is equal to 6,000 minus 8,000 is minus 2,000. So what we have done, we have eliminated the variable y. That's why it's called as elimination method. How could we eliminate? Only when we make the coefficient of y as same. The sign can be different. Plus and minus can change. But if it is 12, here also it should be 12. Then we can add or subtract depending on what. If the sign is same, then you have to subtract, which means you have to change the sign. The sign is already different. If this is plus, this is minus, then you have to change. You don't have to change this, which means you do not have to subtract them. You can just add them. We'll do that kind of problem also. So here the sign is, both are same. When the sign is same, I have to subtract, which means when I'm subtracting, I have to change the sign of the second equation throughout. Plus means minus, minus means plus. So wherever, if plus is here means I should put minus. If minus here, I should put plus. Now what is my x? Now x is equal to minus 2000 by minus 1. So I'll get x is equal to 2000. So I got my x. Right? Now what we have to find in this problem? We have to find the monthly income only they are asking. So even if you know x, we can substitute here and find the income. But right? So but anyway, we'll find y also and we'll keep it. So what is y? How do we find y? Now to find y, you substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. Any one we can choose. So this is easier equation because it doesn't matter. This is 7 and 3. This is 9 and 4. This is a little bigger. So we'll use in this. So substitute. We'll substitute x is equal to 2000 in second equation. We can put it in the first equation also. Anything is okay. Any equation you can substitute. So if you substitute, what do we get? My second equation is 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. So 7 into x is 2000. I'm substituting x as 2000 here. Minus 3y equal to 2000. Right? 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. So 7 into x is 2000 minus 3y equal to this. Now multiply. So 7 into 2000 is 14,000 minus 3y equal to 2000. So minus 3y is equal to 2000 minus 14,000, which gives you minus 3y becomes minus 12,000. So my y becomes minus 12,000 by minus 3, which is 4,000. So my y is 4,000. Y is 4,000. So here actually the problem here is you have to find the value of, you have to find the monthly income only. They are not asking you to find the expenditure. Right? The question is find the monthly income. Even if you stop here, even if you don't find y, right? Generally we find x and y, but in this problem x alone is enough, but still I am just doing it for you to understand how to find x and y. Actually this is not required. In this particular problem you don't have to find y, because we need to find the monthly income of the two persons. So for the monthly income, to find the monthly income, I have to find the value of x only. So I will substitute here. So the monthly income I can write. So monthly income is monthly income of person A. Person A equal to how much? 9x. And what is x? X is 2000. So 9 into 2000, which is 18,000. So his monthly income is rupees 18,000. Now monthly income of, I will write equal to rupees 18,000. Now monthly income of person B. Monthly income of person B equal to how much? Right? Equal to 7x. That is equal to 7 into 2000, because x is 2000. That is equal to 14,000. Right? Rupees 14,000. So the person A's income is 18,000, person B's income is 14,000. So they have not asked in this problem to find their expenditure. If you need to find the expenditure, then we need to calculate y like this, and then substitute y is equal to 4,000 here. Then you get 4 into 4,000 is 16,000. Again substitute 4,000 here, you get 12,000. So first person is spending 16,000, second person is spending 12,000. So here they have not asked for the expenditure, so we don't have to do that. Here we need to do only the monthly income. We need to find only the monthly income. Fine. Now let's go to the next one. Example 12. Let's do example 12. Let me erase this. So we'll go to example 12 in the same page number 55. So page number 55. Page number 55. Example 12. What is example 12? So example 12 says use elimination method to find all possible solution of the following linear equation. So what are the equations? So we need to solve this equation. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 4x plus 6y equal to 7. We need to solve this and find the solution. Now I told you, so whenever we have whenever we need to solve using elimination method, we have to check whether the coefficient of x is same in both. The sign can be different. The sign it can be 2 and minus 2, that is okay. Or it can be minus 2 and 2. Or both can be 2. Or both can be minus 2. Those are okay. But here that is not the case. Here 2 it is 4, here 3 it is 6. So they are different. But how do I make it same? How can I make it same? So if I multiply, suppose the first equation, this first equation, this second equation. Suppose if I multiply the first equation by 2. Suppose if I multiply my first equation by 2, then this will become what? 4. 2x into 2 will become 4x. It will match with this. So here we will just multiply the first equation by 2. So multiplying first equation by 2. What do we get? We get what we get? We get multiply this throughout by 2. Then 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 into 3y is 6y equal to 2 into 8 is 16. So we multiply. When you multiply, you have to multiply every term. You can't multiply only this alone by 2 and make it as 4x. When you are multiplying one term by 2, you have to multiply every term by 2. This by 2, 4x, 3y into 2, 6y, 8 into 2, 16. So this is, you can still call this as equation 1, doesn't matter. Now equation 2, I will write as it is. Fine. Now what we observe? Now we observe that the x is matching. Even here y is also matching, but here definitely we made x to match by multiplying the first equation by 2. Now both are having what sign? This is also plus, this is also plus. When both are having the same sign, we should subtract. Right? When both are having the same sign, we should subtract. So when we subtract these two, which means I should change the sign. This plus 4 will become minus 4. This plus will become minus. This will become minus. All are plus here. So all of them will become minus. This is plus 4x. This is minus 4x. Cancel. Now this is 6y. This is minus 6y. That is also getting cancelled. So you get 0. Everything is getting cancelled on the left side. Which means both the variables are getting eliminated. Only one variable should get eliminated. But here, unfortunately, both are getting eliminated. So we get 0 equal to what is 6 minus 7 is 9. 6 minus 7 is 9. So what we are getting? We are getting 0 equal to 9, which is not true, right? 0 equal to 9 is it's not possible. So which is always false. This is never true. This is always false. 0 equal to 9 is always false. How can 0 be equal to 9? Which is a false statement. Therefore we will say the given set of equation, the given set of equations have no solution. Given set of equations have no solution. The word no is very important. Why no solution? Because we are getting a false statement. We are getting a 0 equal to 9 is a false statement. Therefore, we can say the given set of equations have no solution, which means it does not have any solution. We cannot find any solution. Clear? Okay, now let's go to the next problem. Very important problem. Next one is, fine. What we have is example 13. So let me erase this. This is a very small problem. So example 13. What is example 13 in page number 56? So page number 56, example 13, right? Very important problem, right? You have to observe carefully or listen carefully or understand carefully. So what it says is the sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. Whenever you see the word 2-digit number in any problem, immediately we should define its tens digit and ones digit or units digit. The moment you see the word 2-digit number, we should define the first is tens digit. So we'll say let the, or we will write like this, we'll write the 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Put a colon and then immediately write, we need to define what is this tens digit and what is this units digit. See here we have not even read what the question is. The moment you see the word 2-digit number, immediately you should write let the tens digit be x. You'll assume it's tens digit as x and let the units digit, or we can call it as ones digit. Units digit is units digit be y. The moment you see the word 2-digit number, you should immediately write. Don't even read what is given in the question. That will come later. We'll read the entire question and try to understand that. But the moment we see 2-digit number, we should immediately define its tens digit and as x and units digit as y. Then we should write so the 2-digit number is 2-digit number is what? Number is 10 into x plus y. If the tens place is x and ones place is y, Then the two-digit number is given by 10x plus y. Suppose if I say there's a number, suppose if it is 52, its units, its tens place is 5, its ones place is 2. This is tens place, this is ones place or units place. Now how will you write the two-digit number algebraically as an expression? If the tens place is 5, then it is 5 into 10 plus ones place is 2 means 2 into 1, which means you will get 50 plus 2, which is 52. Right? So whenever the tens place is x and ones place is y, the number will be 10 times 10 into the tens place plus 1 into the ones place, 1 into y into 1. You can even put y into 1, which is y. So I'm just writing y. So you have to write this. And then see whether the question is talking about reversing the digit. It also says that the number obtained by reversing the digit. So it is talking about some reversing the digit also. Right? The moment it talks about reversing the digit, then we need to write this one, which is reversed two-digit number. We should define this also, digit number. So there we'll say, then what becomes? Its tens digit will be what? Its tens digit will be, when you reverse a number, the tens digit will be the ones digit of the original number. This is the original two-digit number of the two-digit number. This is the reverse number. So tens digit will be the reverse number. It will be y, and ones digit will be our units digit. Units digit will be x. They'll interchange because the number is reversed. It is 52 means the reverse number is 25, which means the ones place will come to the tens place of the reverse number, and tens place will go to the unit place of the reverse number. So the reversed two-digit number. Reversed two-digit number is what? Number is equal to, what is the reversed two-digit number? Its tens place is y. So I should say 10 into its tens place, which is y, plus 1 into ones place, 1 into the units place, 1 into x, which is x. This is your reversed two-digit number. But what they have said, they said that the sum of, now we'll read the statement. We'll read the question. The sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. Which means sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. Which means sum of these two, sum of the two-digit number and its reversed two-digit number is 66. That's what they have given. Which means this plus this equal to 66. Right? So what they have given? They have given the two-digit number plus reversed two-digit number equal to 66. That's what they have said. Right? Then what is the two-digit number? It is 10x plus y, which means 10x plus y plus reverse two-digit number is 10y plus x. 10y plus x equals, so this is your original two-digit number. This is your reverse number. If I add both, they are saying we get 66, which means 11x plus 11y equal to 66. Now 11 is common, so we can throw out divide by 11. So if I throw out divide by 11, any number if that is common, you can always divide every term by a number, or you can multiply every term by a number. Here we can divide. So if we divide throughout by 11, 11x by 11 will become x, 11y by 11 will become y, 66 by 11 will become 6. So this is your first equation. We'll keep this as first equation. Fine. Now what the second equation says? The second equation says, if the digits differ by 2, if the digits differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? The second thing is, so first statement is two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit. If you add them, you get 66. From that we got this equation. The second equation, they are saying that digits differ by 2. When they say digits differ by 2, then the difference between these two digits is 2. Difference means subtraction. So difference is 2 means we have two cases. See, either it can be x minus y, or y minus x. We don't know which number is greater. We don't know which number. We can't assume x is greater. If it is 52, then it is x is greater. If it is 25, so you can't say your tens place will be always bigger than your ones place, right? So which means they have given here the difference is 2, which means we should take two cases. So we have the second equation is like this: x minus y equal to 2, or I can also have y minus x equal to 2. Either it is x minus y or y minus x. We don't know. We don't know which number is greater. So you have to take both. So you will have equation 2, this one, I can call this as 2a, equation 2a, or it is equation 2b. So this is one equation. The second equation is either this or this. We don't know. So which means we should have two cases and solve them. So first you will take this as the first, you will take this as the first equation and this as the second equation. Solve these two and find x and y. Second case will be, we'll still this take as this as the first equation, we'll take this as the second equation and we'll solve and find x and y. Fine. So so let's take, okay, I'll do it here. So let's take case 1. Case 1 is, I will take this one, first equation and 2a equation. First equation and 2a equation. So what it is? First equation is what? X plus y equal to 6. Here x minus y equal to 2. Now here already the coefficient of x is 1, 1. Right? And here y is also 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1 is also okay. So here what we can do, we can directly add. We don't have to change the sign or anything, because here for y the sign is different. If one of them has a different sign, then we can add. So if I add this, what do I get? X plus x is 2x. Here y and y will get cancelled. This is plus y, this is minus y. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2. We'll get x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Now we got x is equal to 4. We'll substitute x is equal to 4 in any one of this equation. We'll take the first equation. X plus y equal to 6. I will put x is equal to 4 here. I'll get 4 plus y equal to 6. My y becomes 6 minus 4. My y is 2. My y is 2. Right? Now the continuation of this I'm writing here. The moment the y is 2, so the two digit number is what? The two digit number is what? We know 10x plus y. That is a two digit number. And what is x? X is 4. Substitute 4 here. So 10 into 4 plus y is 2. 2. So you get 40 plus 2, which is 42. So this is your two digit number. So this is for one case. Either so two digit number is 42. Then what I will ask you to do is, you take case 2. We have to do both the cases. Case 2. Case 2 is you have to solve first equation and 2b equation. You have to solve the first equation and 2b equation. What is first equation? X plus y equal to 6. And what is 2b? Y minus x equal to 2. Right? So y minus x, you can write it as minus x plus y equal to 2. So this y minus x. Right? You can write x first. X is, what is the sign of x? Minus x. So you should write minus x. Then this is plus y. No sign means plus y. So plus y. So you can write this y minus x as minus x plus y equal to 2. Clear? Then you need to solve. So you can add these two. Your x will get cancelled. You will get 2y equal to 8. You can try this. I will leave it you to do same way. However I did the case 1, you have to do the case 2 and find x and y. After finding x and y, you need to substitute in this expression to find the two digit number. If you solve this here, you will get y as 4 and x as 2. X will become 2, y will become 4. You need to substitute x is equal to 2 here and y equal to 4 here. So 10 into 2, 20, 24. The number you will get it as 24. So either the two digit number is 42 or 24. That is the answer. So we have two such number. One number is 42 and the other number is, or it could be either 42 or 24. So I would say you solve this. You solve this similar to this and find x and y. After finding x and y, substitute here to get the two digit number. So we have to do for two cases here because we don't know which is greater, whether it is x minus y or y minus x. When they say difference is 2, then we don't know whether it is x minus y or y minus x. In that case, you have to take both. So this is fixed. You have to take this and 2a as case 1, again 1 and 2b and take it as case 2 and do it. Fine. So you can try this part, case 2 part as homework, and we will stop here and I will continue this in my next video. You can watch my next video for the continuation of this. Thank you guys.